suspects are in an advanced stage of planting guns, ammunitions, machetes in the residences of all the profiled entities who are in the list that I was given by the County Criminal Investigation Officer. The guns are planned to be planted at the residency of His Excellency, the Governor Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati. One of his supporters, Japhet, another supporter of the governor, Nyakwama, and all this is in the intent of portraying the governor and his henchmen and his supporters that there are people who are sowing discontent and disunity in this region. Ask yourself a simple question. Have we had any single incident in Kisii, in the history of Kisii, where guns or bullets are used in an unrest? No. But right now, they want to bring a picture that indeed Governor Simba Arati has a militia and he wants to do what is not in the confines of the law. To cover the Nyakembene incident. What happened in Nyakembene? We are calling on all these agencies, the police, the DCI, IPOA, the internal unit. You took statements from our clients. You took statements from myself personally as an advocate. We are calling on you to bring out the results, or rather give us an update of what the statements from the Nyakembene incident, the progress you've made in the investigations, and the report to be brought out for the Kenyan citizenry to know what exactly happened in Nyakembene. The other shenanigans are just a cover-up, where people are taking sides against a popular leader elected by the citizens of Kisii County. Thank you. It has been a wonderful morning, but it was a night of long knives in Kisii. More so to the people who are in the social platform are quite aware of what had transpired from last night when one of the bloggers for the Governor Paul Simba Arati's side, Hezbon Mochama, was arrested at around 8:30. Now, the purpose of this presser is to bring to light about the happenings in Kisii for the past around 72 hours. On Friday, after the burial mass of the late chief principal of Kisii National Union Polytechnic, Nyariki, where there was a bit of an altercation between the Cabinet Secretary for Education, the Governor Paul Simba Arati, and the firm, arrogant statements of the County Commissioner, Mr. Kibet. A meeting was held at the residency of the Cabinet Secretary, where all the security agents, the senior security agents of Kisii County, attended. And in the meeting, it was decided that people allied or supporters of Simba Arati, the governor, were going to be targeted. The aftermath of this meeting culminated into the events that have unfolded. A list was circulated of people perceived to be supporters of Simba, branded goons, and an effort was decided of planting illegal arms in their residences to arrest them, to force disappearance, and also incriminate them in whichever way possible so that they can be arraigned in court. The decisions that were made were not limited extrajudicial killings. We stand here right now to say one simple word, that the security agents in Kisii County have been compromised. They are not portraying their national image, but instead they are allied to one side. What is the reason for the present happenings in Kisii? After the Nyakembene incident on 8th January, where the attempted assassination of Governor Paul Simba Arati, the investigative agencies and other government agencies that were charged with this incident, we are reliably informed that I have given recommendation that the Chief Whip, the Honorable Osoro, who is an advocate like myself, is culpable and should take the dock or be tried for the crimes that were committed at Nyakembene. All the events that we are seeing right now are just an opportunity that has been sourced to try and divert the attention of the masses, to try and diffuse the Chief Whip being aligned in court. Today morning, we have had a lengthy meeting with the County Commander, Mr. Charles Keses, and the County Criminal Investigation Officer. They have given us a list of names of suspects or supporters of Governor Simba Arati who they want us to produce today and tomorrow for them to write statements. On the same note, the County Commander and the County Criminal Investigation Officer gave us an assurance that the arrested suspect, Hesbon Mochama, is okay, and they are going to facilitate us as the advocates to meet him in the course of the day, and they committed that he will be brought to court in 24 hours. We call upon the general public, we call upon the citizenry to stand with us at this hour of need in calling out the government to respect the Constitution, because Kenya is a constitutional democracy and we are not in a situation where there is no rule and law and order in Kisii. Thank you.